Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the daily hour, or the daily show of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. This is day 13, and right now we're going to open door 13. Let us hope it's not an unlucky number. Oh, okay. Interesting. Looks like we got some sort of vehicle. Okay. On the looks of things, it's some sort of vehicle. Alright, let's build it. Let's build this thing. Oop. Trying to keep it still. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn it. Oh. Okay, first we are going to get... Okay, I'm gonna get the base. Put the vehicle pieces. So it's a vehicle of some kind. Okay. Alright. Alright, interesting. Okay, I'll put this in front. Alright, on the sides. I mean, it's interesting. Like, it's some sort of truck, I suppose, on the Lego series, on the Star Wars series. I'm not sure what it's... I mean, again... when it comes to Lego style, it's always up to the imagination of what it's supposed to be. When it comes to, like, things beyond just minifigs. It's always about just imagining what's... Yeah. Just imagination, I guess. Okay, nearly done. I gotta put on the back. So I think something's supposed to sit on top of it. Interesting. Sort of vehicle. Put some black studs on it. I definitely do like most of the things he built in this advent calendar. I guess it's neat, like, you know. I guess, there are other advent calendars I've seen before. Like, there's a Pokemon one. It was like a Pokemon figures, but it was like $100 or like $80 for it. But at least it's like, you know. Oh yeah, so my fingers are. It was yeah, just doing. I was like using a marker, and yeah, got messy. But yeah, here it is, some sort of vehicle from Star Wars. Yeah, some sort of vehicle. I mean, knowing Star Wars, it obviously, it flies. Knowing futuristics in Star Wars, it's a flying vehicle. But yeah, that's it. See ya.